Hey. Hey.
So we decided that we were going to go ahead and make the form for our slab for our chicken pen to sit on out of 2x4s. It's a cheap alternative to buying the actual form equipment. Plus, all you got to do is have a few screws into two 2x4s and cut it however big you want it.
That's right. It's been so wet, we haven't really been able to do anything around the house but have some fun at the river. So it's time to buckle down and get some of our projects knocked out now.
Whenever we built our chicken pen, we made it 8 by 4 foot. We knew we weren't going to have a few dozen chickens like my brother-in-law has. Don't you just love the sound of a rooster in the morning?
Absolutely.
We just knew we wanted a handful, enough to get enough eggs for us and enough just to be able to enjoy them. So we didn't make a real big pen. So today we're going to try and make our slab 8 by 5.
Yeah.
Why did you get the 80-pound sack instead of the 40?
Because they're faster.
Oh, okay. For you.
Well, you know.
For you, that is.
Work on them triceps.
Ah!
So one thing that you have to keep in mind is you want a certain finish on your slab, no matter if you pour it wet or if you pour it dry. So what I'm doing on this dry pour slab is using just an ordinary paint roller. All you want to do is a smooth finish. slowly and lightly just roll over the top of this concrete. Takes all the roughness off, leaves you a nice smooth finish. And almost everyone has a paint roller at their home. I mean, if you can paint the wall in your house, you can pour and finish a concrete slab like this. One thing you're going to need after you've leveled the concrete, after you've run the paint roller over it to get it smooth, is a garden nozzle with a misting setting. The reason this is you don't want to spray this dust that's accumulated on top of this slab to finish it with larger droplets of water, because it'll cause the finish to be rough. So what you want to do is just lightly mist this slab on the first pass. Well, as you can see, the chickens has already walked across the slab. So if nothing else, we know that this slab will at least support the weight of a chicken. So I guess we're doing pretty good. It's been about 48 hours now, so we're fixing to take the forming boards off of the slab and see what it looks like.
Well, there. How'd it turn out, baby? Huh? How's it look? Well, here we are. We got our slab complete and ready to put our chicken pen on it. Like we talked about before, 3,000 psi concrete. We mixed it dry. So it's probably not going to be at 3,000 psi. It's probably going to be more like 1,500 psi. But our chicken pen weighs about 400 pounds. So with feed, water, chickens, about 500 pounds. Distributed over 6 legs, nowhere near 1,500 pounds per square inch. So I think we're in good shape. You want me to do that?
Yeah, sure. You want to?
Here, let me try.
Okay. Come on. Lift with your legs. Push. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go put this old girl up. Y'all come back and see us next week and see what we're doing.